Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. So on previous video I've already shown you how you can find your 2022 rap, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download them and then share it to your social media. So first here I'm gonna open my top songs, for example. Okay, so here is my top songs, but to see what to share, you can just click on this 2022 rap. Okay, so here is the one, and for example I want to share my top artists. Can just find it. Okay, okay, so this one's right here, and you can just wait until it show up. So here is my top artist, and to download it you can just click on share this story options at the bottom, and then here you can either download it and save it to your gallery, or you can also just directly share it to Instagram, to WhatsApp, Twitter, or Facebook stories. So for example I want to share it to my Instagram story, so just click on stories and it will direct you to Instagram apps. Okay, like this, and after that you can just click on your story to share it. Okay, so that is how you can download your Spotify 2022 rap. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye.